Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Courtney and I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark and eBay. And today I'm here with a dollar day haul, but nothing I got was $1. So it happens. I've tried this intro a couple times and I feel like I get chatty, so I'm just gonna cut out all the chattiness and move right in. My strategy this day was I could buy something for $1 if the comps showed a pretty confident I could get at least $25 for it. And I could pick up a regular priced item, which ranges between $5 to $10. If the comps confidently looked like it was gonna be about $40 or more. I ended up only getting 9 items, which happens, but sometimes when I go in wanting to be selective, I pass on a lot of great stuff because I'm just trying to not bring that much home. And yeah, I wanted to get out of the house. I spent 3.5 hours at this store, and it was just a nice break to my week since I wasn't going sourcing that week on like a full day. So anyways, I got a few good things, a couple new to me brands, and so I thought I would share. If you aren't already subscribed and you like reseller content, consider hitting the subscribe button down below or hitting the thumbs up to let me know that you like these hauls. So first up, this is the first time I found this designer. I take that back. This is not the first time I found this designer. I found it a couple times, but they were so torn up that even me, and I'll sell mostly anything, didn't think it was worth picking up at the bins. But there are these really cute heels, and you can see right here, I feel like I don't think I've said this designer's name on a video because I haven't sourced it yet, but I feel like I say it a little weird, so I'm just gonna avoid saying it and avoid the correction in the comments. But I think everyone knows this designer. I think this is one of the designers that Carrie and Sex and the City referred to a lot. I could be wrong. I know it was Jimmy Choo's. I don't know. Anyways, so these are 37.5. And just looking at it, they seem to be in really great condition. I mean, you can see some wear right here. I think this part and this part has, it was added just based off of the fact that the only signs of wear is just on this part, but, and the markings on this rubber part, like it's kind of like a non-slip type thing. But otherwise, really great condition. I really like the style. Animal print is just such a classic neutral in my opinion. So yeah, comps on these are just, wow. I saw some selling for 20 and some selling for 800. I don't know if there are certain styles that are just super desirable and they're just other style. Or people are selling things that they don't know what they have. I don't know. Anyways, but with these, I'm gonna start a little high just because I do think that the style, I mean, look how cute that is really cute. And there's not many, it's not too bad as far as wear. So I'm probably gonna start these a little high and hope for about 75 to 100. I was very excited to find that designer. So next up was a new to me brand. I did not have a good day. So I feel like I got quite a few pairs of pants, which I almost never go to the pants section unless I'm having a really bad day. Bad day sourcing, like I'm not finding traditional stuff. But this is, it looks like it says Prairie Underground. And these are just a very dark denim, almost black. Yeah, these are kind of a black denim. And they have the cute little zipper detail. They are a kind of slim or skinny leg. They are an extra small, which I'm not worried about. I actually found 2 pairs of these, but the other one that I didn't grab had a snag and I didn't want to deal with it. So, and it was the same size, so I'm guessing it was the same person. But anyways, it's a really cute style. It's perfect for fall. The brand seems to have not very much stuff listed, so I'm not sure how many people are looking for this, and I've never even heard of this brand. So I'm hoping for about 45 to 60, but I don't have many comps to choose from, so it looks like the regular price on these were probably about a couple hundred. So yeah. Next up is a pair of men's pants, men's linen John Barbados. Oops. And these I might not have wanted to pick up. The comps were kind of mixed, but I just decided, you know, I've had pretty decent luck with John Barbados stuff moving pretty quickly. I just sold a bag of one of his last week for full price. So, you know, I thought I like the brand. I like the style. They're linen, kind of going into the wrong season for it, but really good size. It's size 48, which I don't think is a, no, I'm gonna have to look up their sizing for men's, because this is definitely not a 48-inch waist at all. So anyways, yeah. But with these, I'm a little bit lower potentially if they sit for a while, but I'm looking at about 35 to 45 in the range of sale price that I'm hoping for. This was the first time I've seen this brand, but someone actually, I posted a picture on my Instagram of this shopping cart since it was kind of small, and you know, it just happens. And someone recognized this label, and now I know that it must be very good because the comps are great. So I saw, obviously the name, it says made in Italy. I saw this tag. Usually when I see a lot of the different international sizes, that's sometimes a good indication. But these are kind of a green gray. It's very hard for my eyes to figure out what color this is, but I really like the color. It's a great neutral. They're kind of a slim leg, maybe, yeah. And who doesn't like an elastic waist? I should just start buying pants all in elastic waist because they're so comfortable. Oh, these are wool pants, virgin wool pants. So anyways, I like the color, the size 6 elastic waist, can't go wrong. Comps on these were also just all over the place. I mean, some were going for 300, pants similar to this. Some, yeah, I don't know. I'm probably only hoping for, if I want to move them, 50 to 75, but I might start a little higher, like maybe 125, and see if I get any offers. So we'll see. Next up, I don't pick up this brand most of the time because I just haven't been, I haven't had much luck with it, but I liked the style. So it's Hudson, and I loved the knees. And they have the raw hem, skinny leg. They are a size 26, but I just like the style. And even though they're regular price, I'm hoping because of the style, I'm hoping that I might be able to get 40 to 50 for these. Again, another brand that just, some go for 10, some go for 80 on used, not resold, but so this is my second time finding this designer, and the first time I found it, it was at the bins, but the jacket sold within a couple of weeks, I feel like, and it went to New York, so I feel like there's just fans of this designer. I'm sorry if you can't see it, the label's a little bit dark, but it says Nicholas K, size large. It's a men's size large, but it seems like a lot of his stuff, and that jacket that did really well for me was just a loose string, like he has a lot of black and kind of edgy stuff. This doesn't fit the bill, but I like the style. It's a good size. It is a designer, and the comps, I'm probably looking at about 35 to 50. Just depends. A couple more items. This is a pair of Adriano Goldschmied, and this is the Aubrey. It's the skinny straight. It's kind of a black distressed skinny straight, as the name says. Really great condition, a good size, a size 28R. And I have, another brand that I don't pick up all the time, but I do look up the style, which it's nice that they have the style so easily seen. And it looks like the style does pretty well. So with this one, I'm hoping to get somewhere between 40 to 50 because it's edgy. It's a good style. The Aubrey's a good style, it appears. And yeah, 2 are hard goods. And I did just wash these. This one, I wasn't sure when I picked it up if I was going to sell it online or sell it in my antique booth that I'm getting everything ready for. So this is Hall's Superior Quality Kitchenware, made in USA. How adorable is this print? Now what I've learned with doing a little bit of research is there is a print with a poppy, like an orange orangey kind of colored poppy with the same leaves, and those do really well. With no poppy on it, it doesn't do as well. So I think this is going to be a booth item, and I think what I'm going to do is put a succulent in here, because I think how adorable with a cute succulent on someone's anything. Yeah, that's I'm gonna have succulents all throughout my booth in cute little things, just because I think it's such a great accent, and it's just a style that I like. So hopefully others will like it. And I didn't come up with it. I've just seen places do it. All right, so I got 5 of these. I only said I got 9 items, but technically I'm considering the 5 as one item. I had 6, but I made a mistake, which it happens, and I put a bag down when I got home on a tile floor, and I heard a little bit of a crack, but they were stacked and they were taped, which I don't mind. And when I went to untape them, one of them on the bottom had chipped because I had kind of not gently put them down. So that was my mistake. This is a Luneville, France. Hopefully it's a little hard to see. Cutest mugs. All 5 are the same. Would have been nice if I had that 6th, but I think 5 will still sell. I can't find this exact pattern, and I just think this looks like Anthropology. I mean, it's you can see, even though I cleaned it, I might have to try a different product to get a little bit of, it looks like a little bit of a stain down there. But otherwise, they're in great condition, and I mean, if I needed mugs, I would. So the problem with this is with this one, with the succulent, I'm probably only hoping to get about 10, maybe 15 with the succulent. We'll see. With this, I'm not sure. I still need to do some more research. I'm going to have to go into Tehachapi, because I think I need 365 days of sales to try and find this pattern, and see, because some of this Luneville, France can go for quite a bit, and I might want to sell them to 2 and 3, or one individually, and just say in the listing that I have 5 available. I also don't want to ship these, like 0, don't want to, but I've got to get better at shipping, and so I just feel like it's going to do better online. So anyways, really love these, and I was excited to find it. So $55 spent, 3.5 hours, only a few items, but I'm looking at about $380 to $485 in value and sale price. That's not including fees, but still, it was fun to get out of the house that day, because I've been doing so much at my house recently, and I was really excited with some of the stuff I found, even though it wasn't very much. So again, if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.